Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the automation app to save with what using. The automation app is a simple tool made to help you find, buy, or service a car all in one place. It lets you browse vehicles from many dealerships, book service, appointment, and even customize cars before buying. Some dealerships also offer a helpful features like vehicle pickup for servicing. The app is free, easy to use, and designed for people who want a smoother car shopping or maintenance service experience without all the back and forth. Plus, you can talk to real expert inside the app to help you find an exact car you want. Automation is what if you want a fast and easy way to search for cars, schedule service, and contact with a dealership without leaving your phone. It's especially helpful for first-time buyers or busy people who want to avoid the hassle of going to multiple car a lot. And that's it.